Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to talk about something that's been a game changer for many freelancers out there creating gigs on Fiverr. First things first, if you're not already familiar, Fiverr is an amazing platform where you can offer your skills and services to a global audience. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or anything in between, there's a place for you on Fiverr. So, let's dive into how you can create gigs that stand out and attract clients like a magnet. First of all, you should have an account on Fiverr. Open the homepage and search for gigs. Then, the gigs page will appear. Select Create a new gig. Write the gig title. Select the gig category, input gig metadata. Then write tags. These should be words that users usually search for, so they can easily find your gigs. Set the price for the gig so buyers can see it and contact you. You can also choose to offer different packages. You can set any price. For this example, I've set it as $1,000. Write a description for your gig. You can easily generate a description from ChatGPT. Set questions to ask the buyer, such as drop your requirements here. Select a gig image explaining your work. Publish your gig, and you're done. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. It would mean